Thanks for tuning in. Today's adventure is a truly special one. We're teaming up with our good friend and fellow YouTuber Alan Metalman to mark his huge milestone, his final Wainwright, number 214, the beautiful High Rigg.
We kicked off at 9:30, parking up in a lay-by just off the A591. From there, we began our ascent from the southern flank of the fell. The climb was steady, the views stunning, and at 355 metres, the summit welcomed us with wide skies and even wider smiles.
At the top, we joined Alan, his family and close friends to celebrate this incredible achievement, years of dedication, countless smiles, and one unforgettable finish.
From the summit, we descended towards St John's Church, then followed the scenic track back to where it all began. All in all, a 5-mile hike filled with laughter, stories, and a whole lot of heart.
Good morning, guys. Got me coffee. Early one for us up at 6 a.m. Gonna get over the lakes for 9:30 for Alan's walk. So looking forward to it. Last time I was up at this time on a Sunday morning, I think I was going on holiday, so it's a novelty for me. So what after meet AJ?
Alan Metalman.
Who?
Alan Metalman.
Alan Metalman, yeah. Say that again.
Alan Metalman.
It's hard to say when you need teeth in your heat, isn't it? We're here, guys, just parked out for the A591. Already had a little wave off Alan over the road there. Quite a good turnout for him. Looking forward to this, and that's where we're heading today. Up that way on to High Rigg.
After a catch-up and some group photos, it was time to begin the hike.
Finally, we're off. Let's give you a look. There's the beast there, look. The main man himself. Gonna turn in here. Towards St John's in the Vale Church and Bridge House. I remember this lady from YouTube. Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, that's cool down there, isn't it?
Bridge down there,
The river.
Bridge down.
So yeah, we've done High Rigg before. Did it last year. We did Binchy the same day. We approached it from the church the other side, but the day we come up the back side. Oh, we've got a posse. People behind us. Good turnout for Alan today. We're a little crossroads already. I was wondering what that was. I thought you'd been around Summers. Mate, how are you doing? You okay? Well, we're leading the pack. We'll try and get up and back down before the clag sets in and it starts raining. The edges just fell away. Bit muddy over here. What's it called? Holly. These views of Raven Crag there now. It's peak in the mist. Look back down. Spooky tree there. Halloween coming up. I wonder how old that is. Leading the pack. It's a kind of turnout for Alan. I think there was about 25, 30 people. Park back down there. Got some great views now, guys. Young Alan in the distance. Hello, Jürgen. Hello, Jürgen. I get him on. That's it, you're going to be famous.
The wife will be subscribed as well. If your wife does that.
We're just having a little break here. Alan and Linda and Mrs. Metalman catching us up. Met some lovely people already on this walk. Next AJ's gone ahead and left us all. Jürgen, he's a nutter. Oh yeah, AJ. You're on the crisps already. Got your layer off. Give us a look at your shirt. Wow, look at them cat's eyes on the back. proper football team, eh? Reverse around the side of this little crag now. Yeah, I'm just testing out the zoom on my new iPhone 16 Pro. I know the 17 is just about to come out as well, but it's got a decent zoom. Just have a look at this waterfall. We're getting near the top now, guys. A nice view of Thirlmere there in the distance. I'm hoping to get up and down before it starts raining.
Howdy, what are we doing today?
Climbing a photo for Alan Metalman.
Oh yeah, can you remember what it's called? High Rigg. Yes. Thumbs up.
Got some height now, I think. We're pretty much at the top, and then we're just got to go along the ridge line to High Rigg. I thought there was a low rig as well, but I'll have to look it up when we get back. It's windy now. This is why I need a DJI mic. Just coming up the top there, and you've got Blencathra, Skiddaw in front of us, Cloughhead to the side. Lovely. So High Rigg's just at the end there. 355 metres, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely panoramic views now though. Wind's picking up now. Feel the rain starting to kick in, a drizzle. So we were up and then we're back down. Be careful here, it's a bit slippy. Just coming down here, you can see it very slippy, got to take it easy. Go through this dry stone wall. Got another little pull up this one. And we're back up again. Swing you around to see the others. See Alan and Mrs. Metalman there coming down. So we've got another couple of YouTubers here today. Got Ashley Arnold and his lovely wife. And I think it's Dave Oslo Mountain Man. The guy down there goes by the name of Gandalf. Just make out that waterfall on the side of Cloughhead there. It's a little bit further to go. Just been talking to another YouTuber there, tramping the hills. So subscribe to him, we're going to look at his content later. Lovely guy. Nice to meet you. We don't get to see you at the summit. Almost there now. You still leading the way? All right, aye.
I have to report this. Health and safety, nearly ripped my nuts off.
Not far off the summit now, guys. So we're going to wait when we get to the top. We didn't bring our poles with us, but we're going to stop and let Alan summit. Put the poles together and go through them. Be great. He's just got a new friend. Chat your ear off this lady here. I think that's the summit there, guys. Got a nice little town coming up. Dog's going for a swim, look. He's thinking about it. You can't do it.
Mum.
Oh, he finally got it, look.
Yum.
So we actually thought that was the summit up there, but it's not. We're actually 0.7 miles away. Just going to come down to this stile, big stile at the bottom. I tell you what, it's up and down and up and down, doing it this way. Good fun though. Come up this stile now. It's getting a bit boggy here now, so we're going to go across. Definitely all going to end up with wet feet by the end of the day, that's for sure. Squelchy, squelchy. Right, about 0.3 miles now. We come to a smaller little summit. I think it's Rigg or Southeast Fell or something like that. So 0.2 miles now to the summit. Age is almost there. He's just gone off on his own. Well, mind that wind noise, but over there now you've got Bass and Thread, Skiddaw, well in the clag. Got Dodd over there. And there's AJ, bossing it as always. Big boulder, marking the way up to the top. Boulder dash. Spin you back around. Just on my own here. Bex has got a friend there, and AJ is off on his own as well. Lovely day though, that rain stopped. Did start to worry because I haven't bought a waterproof today. Bex and AJ's have got theirs, like, but I always forget something. And the actual summit is now in sight. 300 feet to be precise. See if we can see Alan and the rest of the posse at the minute you can. Gorgeous views though. Here we are at the summit. And now we wait for Alan and the rest of the crew. Hey Alan, I'm not kissing you at the end, mate. Here he comes. Man of the moment. Giving us all inspiration. Hey! Well done, mate. Fantastic.
Thank you.
You're a legend.
Hope you have that wait so long.
No, just a couple of hours, mate. So we're coming back down the other side of High Rigg now, to the church, then looping back around. Get down here, there's no wind at all, pretty typical. Still managed to get the drone up though and get a bit of footage. You see the cloud on there, Blencathric, starting to disperse there. Tell you what, I forgot how steep it was actually coming up here. It's way hard getting down in all honesty and walking like a penguin. No, Bex and AJ is just in front. So, yep, met some lovely people today. Obviously the legend that is Alan Metalman and his lovely wife Linda. We met, who else have we met? Tramp in the Hills, Dave Mountain Man, Alan's brother Ian. He come up, surprised Alan from South Wales. Cracking bloke, looks a bit like Gandalf. So here we are coming back down to the church. Just watching my step because it's still pretty steep here. Alright, so we're going to loop back around and get back to the car, get sorted out, and we're going to meet up at the King's Head. It's just a bit further down the A591. We've been there before actually. We stopped in, what was that hotel called that we stopped at? Was it Lodge in the Vale? Lodge in the Vale.
and they used the King's Head for breakfast, so it's quite a nice pub. So I'm going to head through this gate now towards, what is it, Soskill Bridge?
No,
Not bothering. Okay, I was on the way back. I'm almost back at the car now. AJ's still leading the way. Here we are, coming through Low Bridge End Farm. Just over a mile away from where we parked up. Eternal stench now. Whoa.
He's away, making friends, totally abandoned us. AJ's made friends, totally abandoned us. Bit of waterfall.
We're pretty here now, walking through this woodland. Must be like Orientarian. Orientarian, easy for me to say. Orientarian. A little tea garden here. Just look down. There's a little menu and whatnot. Well hidden away, this one. Never would have knew this was here. Oh, there's a woodland trail going up there. I tell you what, this is taking forever and a day to come back this way. You wouldn't want to have been stood there when that fell down, would you? This river there. Up bloody hill again. Can't he drop down there? Even on the edge. Orange and now on the way back. Feels like it's been about a 5-mile trial coming back. Knackered. There you go, we've done a full circular. That's where we started this morning.
I think poor Tony Salkeld is waiting down there with my car keys. Long story, not going to bore you with it. But poor lad must have been waiting there for ages. So Tony, I do apologise.
2 hours later.
So it turned out Alan's brother had his car keys and needed to catch the train. We relaxed and watched the footy while the others made it back to the car.
We finished at the King's Head Inn to celebrate Alan's achievement with a nice cold beer.
So thank you very much, Tony.
No problem at all, mate.
Cheers.
Great inspiration.
Yeah.
That's been a pleasure, mate.
As always, thanks for watching and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.